I want to share a brief, amazing story with you and a solution that could possibly be life-changing for you, like it was for me. I'm Landria Onkka. You may have seen me on other promotions, CEO Money, or my very popular YouTube channel where I help to change people's lives. But I was an investment banker for 25 years, and like you, I was exchanging time for money. And it started to be more time for less money. It was an exciting career, and I have no complaints, but I no longer resonated with it. I had dreams and goals I wasn't going after. And then one day, a dear friend of mine called and said he had a first-class trip to Italy, and I didn't have to pay for anything. He wanted me to join him. And I said no because I had an important project I was working on, and I had to stay in my office. Well, to this day, my friend has an amazing story about that trip. And I can't even remember what I was doing that week. I do know that that project fell through, and I realized this had to end. I didn't want to live my life like that. There were so many things that I wanted to do. I wanted to be a writer, and I wanted to contribute to the planet and feel good about what I did for a living. And then I saw a promotion just like this. It was for an education system online that could teach me how to create any business online. Well, as an investment banker, I knew the traditional way of buying business, investing, and putting in the long hours wasn't working. Those CEOs and business owners, they were having heart attacks, divorces, stressed out, working even longer hours, and over 87% of those businesses, they didn't survive. That is not a good formula for success or happiness. How many hours have you put in and missed out on a trip or spending time with your family or your kids or just having fun without stressing out about going back to work? Are you doing something in your business and you just don't feel like you're contributing to this planet or yourself in a positive way? Thousands of people are changing that, and they're looking to internet technology for good. But we need to be properly trained in order to be successful, and I knew that. Well, I got my training and I quit my 25-year investment banking career. It was my own company, and I was so ready for it. I wrote a best-selling, award-winning book. It was turned into a television movie. I launched several online businesses, and now I have a popular YouTube channel that helps literally millions of people to change their lives. My life is amazing. And last month, my friend called and said, I have a first-class trip to Italy. Would you like to go? And it took me 1 second to say yes. And that's how I live my life now. I've traveled so many places since I started this journey. I've been doing it for 5 years, and I'm here to tell you it is a viable, legitimate solution. It's a real education system, but you don't have to have a business background. You don't have to have tech experience. That's what the education teaches you. And you have the trainers, the mentors, the step-by-step modules that show you exactly how it works. You don't even need your own products and services. There are many ways to earn money online without them. And your office can change. It could be your living room like mine is, or a beach, or anywhere else in the world that has an internet connection. 85% of people in their jobs hate what they do for a living. That's a real statistic. Don't be part of the 85%. This is something you can do on the side, and when you're ready, maybe you'll get to quit your job like I did. My life has changed so drastically, I can't even imagine what it was like before this. I'm so happy, I have purpose, and I make more money now than I ever did as an investment banker. That's pretty amazing. Why aren't more people doing it? They don't know what their options are. I took advantage of a free workshop series that I'm going to offer you, and I checked it out first before I joined. You can take advantage of that free workshop series somewhere on the screen. You can click, supply your email, and it'll come to your inbox one every day that explains how it works, what's required, what are the costs, how much time do you have to put in, and do you need any experience? And the answer is no, you don't need experience. You just need to be willing to put the time and effort in, because this is serious education, not a get-rich-quick scheme. So if you're ready to learn a new skill, get an expertise, use knowledge to empower yourself, you can join us. We have a spiritually minded community, people that are doing good things with this education. Click somewhere here on the screen. If you don't like it, you unsubscribe. It's not for everyone. but isn't it worth checking out? Don't wait until you exchange more time for money and realize that there's no end to this. There's no retirement. There's no passion or purpose in what you're doing. You can have all of those things. Click somewhere here on the screen, and I will greet you on the other side. I hope you'll join us in at least looking into the possibilities. Thanks so much for listening. Take care.